Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include leather seats, blind spot monitor, rear heated seats, ventilated seats. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2015 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, power moonroof, ventilated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection, we have great people, we value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.